good morning. We have a bit of a new toy today. We're gonna be flying it out. It's like 5 a.m. so doing a bit of a bike ride to a nice area of Burnaby. Maybe crossing the regional health boundary or whatever, but yeah, I'm gonna just have a nice bit of outdoor fun with their new toy. So yeah, I'll see you there. Let's keep going. Well, this is a totally unused skate park. It's like as good as a spot as any, so seems good. No one should probably bother us. So let's try it out. All right, there we have it. It's a new drone. I got my beginner pilot license last summer, but I didn't get a drone. I had one to order, canceled the order, but this summer I was like, all right, time for a drone. We're like it's probably summer pandemic, so I'm gonna have some time flying around, but there is mostly restricted airspace in Vancouver, so I've probably broken like a health boundary by coming over to Burnaby because it's a different health district, but that's probably okay. I think we're gonna be all right on that one. Yeah, I got the DJI Air 2S in the background there. I named them Flobby after my robot vacuum Bobby. I don't know, floppy, like flying Bobby. I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, so we're in a clear, unrestricted airspace here. Still some restrictions, 400 feet flight cap, stuff like that. So we'll stay within the parameters here. But so far it hasn't started to rain. We're a bit cloudy. The sun has technically risen, but we got some high altitude clouds, so I don't think we're gonna get any golden light, unfortunately. But so far, just gonna fly around, kind of figure this out, but I've done it before, but it hasn't been a few years, so we'll see. Let's get into the air and see what this park looks like from above. Let's do take off here. Perfect. Alright, Flobby did a pretty good job out there on the skies. Can't complain. Yeah, really, I think the footage looked pretty good. Again, the lighting quality is pretty cloudy. It's nothing super interesting, nothing super amazing, but got some nice color on the ring. Got like this playground and like the water park or something. I'm not really sure what that was. Yeah, really nice stuff. Yeah, overall pretty good. I might do let's do a few more quick shots. Like I think they might actually just call them quick shots, where the drone does some cool stuff, and that'll be nice. Just have that, and then yeah, maybe get some breakfast. So you want to get some vegan breakfast after this? Might be nice. Might be fun. We'll see. We'll see. everyone. Well, that was it. I think we tried to do a bit of the active tracking, which I was really surprised at how well that works. Like, we didn't really do anything super sketchy or super fast. Like, there weren't too many trees. We weren't going very fast. So, but yeah, Flobby over there did a great job. They're just telling me they're low on batteries, so we'll get them back on the ground safe and sound. But yeah, that was pretty cool. Like, again, I don't know if I would feel weird using it if there were like a lot of people around, you know. So, all right, I think Bobby needs to go home. They're going home anyway. Whatever, they're doing their thing. So yeah, I'd feel weird using it if there's like people, like, you know, I passed maybe 1 or 2 people on my bike, and that felt okay. Like, I wouldn't use it on like an active road, like a road, right? Maybe on like one of those quieter Gulf Islands. Maybe I'd use it there on like a nice stretch of really kind of cinematic, like looking good looking road. Maybe we'll see. I'm sure I'll get there. It's probably just like, you know, as the more comfortable I get, the more possibly reckless I get with it as well. But until then, yeah, well, thanks everyone for tuning in. Again, we'll get some vegan brunch in just a bit, or breakfast. I don't even know if things are open. We'll see. But yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in so far. If you enjoyed the video, you know, just do bell pepper, smash the bell pepper. What else do you want? I don't know. But thanks again, everyone. See you in the next one.